So this is the front panel of the NXT. There's the operation or the crosspoint changing side, and then there's the configuration side. Right now we're going to focus on operation and how to change crosspoints. So notice that we have an output selected. This is output number 4, and it's green. We can select output number 5, which is also green, and it shows here on the thumbnail what's selected on that output. If I want to pick a new source to send to output number 5, I would just pick one of the red buttons here. And it shows the thumbnail and it arms the take, so then I can push take and it actually makes the crosspoint change on output number 5. If I want to scroll through available sources, I can push the source button and it shows me all the available sources, even the ones that have no inputs, on the NXT. Now as I scroll through, when I get to one of the sources that happens to be here on the shortcuts, it'll actually light that light. So I could push take, and now that input is assigned to that output. In addition, I can push the destination button, and that will scroll through the available destinations, regardless if they're available here on the shortcuts. That's what these buttons here are called. These are assignable through the software to make them be sources or destinations on these shortcut buttons, and we'll go through that in another tutorial. Now, a new feature of the product is the ability to allow you to directly take a source from the front panel. So let's double tap the take button. You notice how it flashed to direct take. Now when I click on a source, it cuts to that source immediately. I don't have to push the take button. In fact, the take button is no longer blue. If I want to go back to the other mode, I toggle it, and now we're back in preset mode, where I would preset the source and press take. Another thing you can do from the front panel is if you have an output that has a clean switch assigned to it, you can switch it to mix mode. Double tap, saw it flash mix, and down here it says mix on the control panel. And let's see what the output of that looks like. If I select a source, push take, it dissolves. Press another source, push take, dissolves. Now I can also do a direct mix. So as I toggle between sources, I don't even have to push the take button now. So the last thing I want to show you is the ability to mute the display on the front panel of the product. So we go to panel config, we go down to live video display, we scroll to muted, set it, and as I exit back out, you can see it says live video mute. This allows you to put it into a mobile application where it's illegal to have screens showing live pictures within view of the driver.